Meaning of honest.
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 Honest. Honest is an adjective that refers to being truthful, sincere, and straightforward in one's words, actions, and intentions. A person who is honest does not lie, cheat, or deceive others. Honesty is a quality that is highly valued in personal and professional relationships, as it fosters trust and transparency. Being honest requires courage and integrity, as one must be willing to admit mistakes and take responsibility for one's actions. It is essential to cultivate honesty in oneself and uphold it as a fundamental value, both for personal growth and for contributing to a healthy society.